Good grub is vital for a top-notch life, especially when you're on the mend or aiming for peak wellness. The food you consume plays a crucial role in how you feel, how you perform, and how you recover. It's not just about eating, it's about eating right. It's like putting premium fuel in your tank. Just as a car runs best on high-quality fuel, your body thrives on nutritious food. Think of your meals as the fuel that powers your day, your workouts, and your recovery. What you eat impacts your energy, mood, and how quickly your body bounces back. A balanced diet can elevate your energy levels, stabilize your mood, and speed up your recovery process. It's amazing how the right foods can make such a difference. Think of your meals as building blocks, providing the nutrients your body craves to heal, grow stronger, and thrive. Each bite you take is an opportunity to nourish your body and support your overall health. From proteins to vitamins, every nutrient has a role to play. Eating healthy doesn't mean saying goodbye to flavor. In fact, healthy meals can be incredibly delicious and satisfying. It's all about finding the right recipes and ingredients that excite your taste buds while nourishing your body. It's all about enjoying delicious food that loves you back. When you choose wholesome, nutritious foods, you're not just feeding your body, you're also feeding your soul. Sharing these meals with loved ones can make the experience even more enjoyable. In this guide, we'll explore simple, tasty meals packed with goodness to supercharge your recovery and overall well-being. We'll dive into recipes that are easy to prepare, yet packed with nutrients. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, you'll find something to love. We'll use easy-to-find ingredients and quick prep techniques because we know life gets busy. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to eat well. With the right tips and tricks, you can whip up healthy meals in no time. Get ready to nourish your body from the inside out. We'll show you how to make the most of every meal, ensuring you get the nutrients you need to feel your best. From breakfast to dinner, and even snacks in between, we've got you covered. We'll unlock the power of real food together, making healthy eating a piece of cake. Let's get cooking. With our guide, you'll discover that eating well can be simple, fun, and incredibly rewarding. So grab your apron and let's embark on this delicious journey to better health. They don't call it the most important meal of the day for nothing. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, fuels your body, and sets the tone for a great day. After a night of fasting, your body needs a nutrient boost to get going. A healthy breakfast provides sustained energy, preventing those mid-morning crashes. Opt for a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Lunchtime is all about refueling your body to power through the rest of the day. It's easy to reach for heavy processed foods that can leave you feeling sluggish. Instead, choose a light yet satisfying meal that provides sustained energy without weighing you down. Focus on lean protein, whole grains, and plenty of colorful vegetables. These nutrient-rich foods provide a steady release of energy, keeping you alert and productive all afternoon. Don't let those afternoon cravings lead you astray. Snacking can be part of a healthy diet if you choose wisely. The key is to opt for snacks that provide sustained energy and essential nutrients, not just empty calories. Think of snacks as mini meals that bridge the gap between your main meals, keeping your blood sugar levels stable and preventing energy dips. Section 5. Dinner, nourishment and restoration for body and mind. Dinner is a time to unwind, nourish your body after a long day, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. It's an opportunity to enjoy a wholesome meal that promotes recovery and relaxation. Focus on lean protein, whole grains, and plenty of colorful vegetables. These nutrient-rich foods provide the building blocks for cell repair and growth, supporting your body's natural healing processes. Section 6. Recipe Berry Burst Smoothie. This vibrant smoothie is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and protein, making it the perfect way to kickstart your day. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, frozen or fresh, half a banana, 1 scoop protein powder, optional, half a cup unsweetened almond milk or Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, water to adjust consistency. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Add more water to achieve desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Section 7. Recipe Zesty Chicken Salad. Today we're diving into a delightful and nutritious dish that's perfect for any meal. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch or a light dinner, this zesty chicken salad will hit the spot. This refreshing salad is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it a satisfying and nutritious lunch option. The combination of tender chicken, crunchy vegetables, and a tangy dressing creates a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you craving more. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chicken breast, shredded. You can use leftover chicken or cook a fresh breast for this recipe. Shredding the chicken ensures that every bite is infused with flavor. 1/2 cup chopped celery. The celery adds a wonderful crunch and a burst of freshness to the salad. 1/4 cup chopped red onion. Red onion provides a mild, sweet flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. 1/4 cup chopped walnuts. Walnuts add a rich, nutty flavor and a satisfying crunch, as well as healthy fats. 1/4 cup dried cranberries. The cranberries bring a touch of sweetness and a chewy texture that balances the salad beautifully. 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. These ingredients come together to create a creamy, tangy dressing that ties all the flavors together. Salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing out the best in all the ingredients. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine chicken, celery, onion, walnuts, and cranberries. Make sure to mix them well so that each bite has a bit of everything. In a small bowl, whisk together yogurt, mustard, and lemon juice. Whisking thoroughly ensures a smooth and well-blended dressing. Pour dressing over chicken mixture and toss to coat. Make sure every piece is well coated with the dressing for maximum flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Taste the salad and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve on a bed of mixed greens or in whole wheat pita bread. This versatile salad can be enjoyed in various ways, making it a perfect addition to your meal rotation. Enjoy your zesty chicken salad. Section 8. Recipe Apple Cinnamon Energy Bites. These no-bake energy bites are perfect for a quick snack or an afternoon pick-me-up. They're packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup almond butter, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup chopped dates, 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a food processor and pulse until well combined. 2. Roll mixture into bite-sized balls. 3. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Section 9. Recipe Salmon with Roasted Vegetables. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. This easy and flavorful dinner is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. It's perfect for those who are looking to maintain a balanced diet without compromising on taste. It's a great option for a healthy and satisfying meal. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 1 cup broccoli florets. Broccoli is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a great addition to this dish. 1 cup Brussels sprouts, halved. Brussels sprouts add a nice crunch and are full of antioxidants. 1/2 cup chopped red onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Red onions bring a subtle sweetness and a pop of color to the dish. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil helps in roasting the vegetables to perfection, while salt and pepper enhance the overall flavor. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Preheating the oven ensures that the salmon and vegetables cook evenly. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This step makes for easy cleanup and prevents the food from sticking. 3. In a large bowl, toss together broccoli, Brussels sprouts, onion, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Make sure all the vegetables are well coated with the olive oil and seasoning. 4. Spread vegetables in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. This allows them to roast evenly and become crispy. 5. Place salmon fillets on top of vegetables. The salmon will absorb the flavors of the vegetables as it cooks. 6. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until salmon is cooked through and vegetables are tender. The salmon should flake easily with a fork, and the vegetables should be golden brown and tender. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal. Section 10. Tips for staying on track. Plan ahead. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Cook more at home. Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients and portion sizes. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support overall health. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Don't be afraid to indulge. It's okay to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. Section 11. The transformative power of healthy eating. Embracing a healthy diet is more than just checking off boxes. It's about making a conscious choice to nourish your body from the inside out. It's about fueling your recovery, boosting your well-being, and feeling your absolute best. By incorporating these simple and delicious meals into your daily routine, you're not just eating food. You're investing in your health, happiness, and vitality. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and every healthy choice you make brings you one step closer to a healthier, happier you. So go ahead and embrace the transformative power of healthy eating. Your body will thank you for it.